Lots of news to report on the Gilbert Goon situation. Now, I'm not a news reporter, but this is a very interesting and relevant situation to me and many other community members in Gilbert. A Facebook group has been created. It's just a couple days old. It's got 2.5 thousand members, including town council members and local reporters and perhaps police. And they are involved in this community crowdsourcing investigatory effort. I mentioned in an earlier video that Gilbert had opened up previous assault cases. Well, even since that announcement, they posted photos and they asked for the community's help in identifying people who were implicated in a robbery. Yeah, so one day ago, Gilbert PD posted on Facebook asking for the public's assistance in identifying individuals pictured below, and they had the date of the crimes. Well, what these internet sleuths did was they cross-referenced these boys' social media posts and essentially found the boys on the day in question in the same outfits as the pictures in the Gilbert PD announcement. This Facebook group has really disturbing content that all comes from public social media posts that these boys have published. Additional videos of attacks have also come out in the last 2 days. One from a house party in December of 2022 that we hadn't previously seen. And then in this Facebook group, there are videos that the boys themselves posted or tagged each other in of assaults, of people beat up, terrible pictures of people who have been really brutalized, guns, small children, maybe siblings that are holding guns. More victims are coming forward. There's also talk that these same boys were involved in dealing drugs at school and may have been the cause of some overdoses at school. More victims need to come forward and people need to be more comfortable sharing information, and it seems like that's happening. So it seems like there's rapid movement happening, but still no arrests. I am going to bring a criminal defense attorney who has a lot of experience with the FBI and with gangs on and do a special podcast episode and ask him all the questions that we all have. If you have questions about this case, about that type of thing, will you please write them down so that I can make sure to address them and find whoever can answer these questions as an expert, because you guys all know I'm a family law attorney. So this is not my area of expertise, but I'm heavily invested and will bring in the experts to get the information. We also partnered with Justice Team, a very large law firm out of LA who does injury work, who can represent victims, and it costs victims nothing. It costs victims absolutely nothing to sue the parents or the school or the institution or whomever it is that may have actual liability.